Hey everybody, I just got here to pick up my guitar. Here we are. I'm so excited. Hi! Oh my God, so there it is. There's the gill that got repaired.
Hey Barbara.
How you doing?
Good. Just,
Wow.
putting one more little screw in your pick guard, which had been lost somehow.
Wow, yeah. Unfortunately, it's been a busy guitar. It's my first guitar, so it's gone through some things. But what are you working on, and what do you end up doing?
So, so this guitar here, I'll just take this off for the moment. Oops. This guitar, as you know, had a little crunch in the bottom, which is a pretty common little thing to have happen. The jack got punched in when it fell, and so the wood around it was taken out. So we made a little jack plate that's bigger than they usually come to cover up the damage, and put the jack in there.
Wow, it looks
Also-
Beautiful.
Good, I'm glad.
Wow, that really worked out. That's beautiful.
We also made you a new nut because this one had been, the one it came with had been damaged. So we made you a new unbleached bone nut, which sounds the best.
It looks great.